So this is my french fry. I already cut the french fry and put some seasoning on it, my chicken season. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start frying it. So this is the oil, and this is a mushroom. So I already cut one mushroom, and I'm gonna cut one big onions and tomato, and I'm gonna fry those two separate. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, okay? Okay, I just put the french fry in the oil, so I'm gonna fry the french fry. And what I just did, I put on one clean plate and one paper towel. So this is good. When you do this, so all the excess oil will stay on the paper towel. It will not stay on the food, okay? So when you do this, it's good for your food, alright? So I'm frying the french fry now. Okay, this is the onions, one big onions and one small onions. So this is the small onions. So I'm gonna cut them in little pieces, and tomato. So if you want, you can add a little bit of hot pepper if you want to make it spicier. But I will not add no pepper because of the cake. So I'm gonna just do it like this. And this is my french fry. It's frying right now. So I'm gonna keep mixing it to make sure it's nice and golden. Because your french fry needs to be nice and golden. So you see, it's almost there. Not, see? It's almost there. So just a little bit more. So I'm gonna cut the onions, okay? Okay, my french fry is ready now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this and put it in the plate. Then this was a French potato. This was a fresh potato. So I peel the potato and cut it this way. Any kind of way you want to cut your potato, you're welcome to do it. But I cut my potato in that way. So I already cut the onions. I'm gonna add the tomato to it now. Okay, this is the last batch of potatoes. So this is ready too. And this is the other one, the first one I fried before. And this is the tomato and the onions and mushrooms. So I'm gonna fry those too. You know, mushroom only tastes like a meat too if you fry it very good. And I'm gonna add some sazon to it. Sazon gonna give me that red texture I really want. So I'm gonna add sazon. Okay, the oil is too much. So I'm gonna remove some oil and add it to a different pot because the oil is too. Okay, I removed some oil. I just leave like a little bit of tiny oil. So this is the onions, tomato, and this mushroom. So I'm gonna fry them right now. Okay, so I add those vegetables into the oil. So I'm gonna add sazon. I'm gonna add one sazon. If it's not enough, I'm gonna make it 2 sazon. Okay. Okay, I add 1 sazon, so it gives me that red tomato. You see, it's nice and red. I did not add no tomato to it. So this is the season I'm using right now. That was the same season I used to season the French fry, and I'm using the same season to season the sauce. So my sauce is frying. I did not add no water to it. No water, nothing. You don't need to add no water. So I'm gonna cook it for probably 5 minutes, and I'm gonna turn off the stove. And this is the French fry. I'm gonna show you guys how to eat it. Okay, so you see the onions ready to fry already, and I add one little small Maggi. This Maggi, a smaller one like this. So nice and tasty like the way I want it. So I'm gonna turn off the stove right now, and I'm gonna make the plate. Okay, so this is how you're gonna fix the plate. So you need to add a little bit French fry, and after you're gonna take the sauce. The sauce is done already. So you see this sauce, you can even put this in bread. Like you put a little bit of mayonnaise on the bread, and add a little bit of cheese and put this on the bread. It tastes good. So you see, you're gonna put this on top of it like this. If you want, you can spread a little bit cheese on top of it too, if you want to do that. But I'm on diet right now, so I don't want to put no cheese. Just like this. This is a good breakfast right now. So thank you for watching our cuisine, and love you guys so much. Please subscribe. The more subscribers I have, the more video I'm gonna be posting. Please go and subscribe. In the bottom of my YouTube, you're gonna see subscribe button. You just press that button. That's it. When you subscribe, any video I'm gonna be making, you're gonna be seeing it. They're gonna give you a notice how I just post a new video. Okay, thank you for watching again. Love you guys. Bye.